This keyboard is simply unbelievable. It is probably one of the prettiest keyboards that I've ever seen, but is it any good? This is the Fancy Alice 66. Ergonomic layouts such as these are known as an Alice layout, but this one specifically is called an Arisu layout due to it having an arrow cluster. It is available to purchase from WhatGeek for $99.99 as a DIY kit. The kit features an acrylic stacked keyboard case and has everything one would want in today's custom keyboard standards, such as gasket mount, plate foam, PE foam, south-facing PCB, QMK VIA compatibility, and even a palm plate. But it doesn't include stabilizers, so you will need to provide your own. The build can be a bit tricky, but they do have a video instruction, so make sure to follow that. For switches, I went with the Gateron Oil Kings, which are super smooth linear switches that come factory lubed. I know some people still hand lube pre-lube switches, but I really hate lubing, so these are perfect for me. I really love these switches as they're super smooth and typing on them feels amazing. They might just be one of my new favorite switches. For keycaps, I went with the Keytalk Blue Transparent keycaps, which I think complements the keyboard really well. It's hard to tell, but there is a slight gradient on these. Overall, I think that this keyboard looks amazing and is definitely one of the coolest keyboards that I've ever seen. The fact that the color changes depending on the angle is just so nice. But you might be wondering, is this keyboard any good? For being $99.99, I think that this keyboard is an absolute banger. It has everything I would want in a custom keyboard such as south-facing PCB and QMK VIA compatibility. While the typing experience doesn't have a crazy bounce or anything, the gasket mount feels pretty good and I honestly got no complaints. However, this was my first time trying an ergonomic layout and I definitely do need to get used to it. As for the sound of the keyboard, it's not bad. It has that signature sound that you would find in a transparent keycap set. Take a listen for yourself. But overall, this was a super fun keyboard to build and I would highly recommend it. Links to all the products will be in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, leave your thoughts on the keyboard down in the comments. I would love to know. Be sure to check out another one of my videos and until next time, stay safe and take care.